from the northwest at around 10-20 miles an hour. Through those trees, you can see Highway 41, the mighty Ohio off in the distance. We got a few clouds out there. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds, though, over the course of the day today. 69 degrees right now here in town. It's 71, though, in Madisonville. Most of us right around 70. It is 70 in Vincennes. 65, though, in Jasper. 68 Carmi, and 68 degrees in Owensboro. And we're almost to the afternoon in the middle of June. You can see those clouds off to the north and east, and we've got a
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Kentucky beginning at 11:07 a.m. and ending at 11:22 a.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the Kentucky Emergency Alert System. In cooperation with federal, state, and local officials, broadcasters are testing equipment to ensure that you may be quickly warned in the event of an emergency. This has been a required monthly test of the EAS network. No action is needed. This is only a test.
And we've got some rain headed our way, especially.
Did a good job.